Hi guys, it's Pinay Eats here, your Pinay vlogger here in Vancouver, Canada. So, yes, ano bang gagawin natin today? Ang gagawin natin today ay mag-road trip! So, solo flight ako ngayon, as you can see. Wala akong kasama. So guys, I'm going to Kelowna! Hi Kelowna, abangan nyo ako dyan. Ayun, so solo flight ako. Punta akong Kelowna, mag-road trip ako, and Hindi, birthday ko. Guys, batiin nyo naman ako, happy birthday. Happy birthday to myself. So, ayun, mag-road trip ako mag-isa. So, ako na driver, ako pa cameraman, ako lahat. So, at pupunta na tayo ng Kelowna. Here I come. See you guys later. Can I just get a large coffee? 3 creams, 4 sugar. So guys, yan, first stop ko sa McDonald's. Kailangan ko bumili ng kape para magising tayo sa biyahe. At iyon, unfortunately, umuulan. So yeah, magbabiyahe ako ng umuulan guys. Ang hirap pa naman magbiyahe ng umuulan.
Large coffee?
Yeah, thank you. So yan guys, I got my coffee. Yeah, and next step natin is magpagas. Make sure you always have a full tank. Lalo na pag long driving. So, ayan guys, nagpapagas ako ngayon dito sa Shell. At, grabe, ang mahal ng gas guys. Oh, 168 yung regular.
Head northeast toward McBride Boulevard, British Columbia 1A, then turn right onto McBride Boulevard. In 400 meters.
Long way, we knew we'd get there.
ngayon. Tapos umaambon, ang weird. Tapos sabay super lakas ng hangin, guys. So, yan. So guys, nandito ako sa visitor center. 26 more minutes papuntang West Kelowna. So kailangan ko mag-stretch at grabe, nangangalay na yung aking mga paa. Ang ganda ng view dito, guys. Guys, look at that. See, beautiful, BC. So guys, ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo, oh. Ayun, malayo nga lang. Pero nakikita nyo ba yun? Ang ganda dito sa British Columbia, guys. Sabi, alabig dito. Pero ang ganda ng view, guys. Ang ganda. Tingnan nyo.
Yeah, we're closing in a couple of weeks on Thanksgiving on weekend. Oh, okay. So we just have some things that we'd like to move. Kind of, say travel things.
Continue on McKinnon Road for 1 kilometer.
Yeah, yeah. That's neat. Yeah, that little piece, of course, works. She's from there.
It's my hobby.
Oh, good.
Like I put it in my YouTube.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it just travel stuff that you do? Or?
No, I do eating vlogs.
Oh, eating.
Concerts.
Oh, nice.
And then when I went to the Philippines.
Mhm.
So yan, guys. Grabe. Binlog ko tong visitor center at nakausap ko yung nag-work dito sa visitor center. Binigyan niya ako ng travel guide dito if I'm going West Kelowna or Kelowna. So meron dito yung mga wineries daw, tapos mga restaurants, tapos basta may marami daw tourist attraction dito. So binigyan niya ako ng ayan, booklet, Kelowna. Okay guys, 26 more minutes. Magda-drive na ako at ako ay nakapag-picture taking na. Ayan guys, so ang ganda. That's Kelowna.